Hello guys. Welcome back to the channel. I just came back from work, and today I am thinking just to do my pantry as I have received all my spice bottles. So I was thinking just to discard all my plastic containers, and I will just replace them with the glass ones now. Those are very cute. I just received, and I need to do a little bit of cleaning of the shelves also, and then a little bit of the countertop organization. So first I'll just go and prepare some tea now, just to make me feel energized, and after that I'll be starting with the kitchen cleaning, and not a deep cleaning, it's just a surface cleaning, and there will be a little bit of organization that I need to do. I think tea is better as of now, so I'll just prepare tea and I'll get back to the work. Chalo, let's go. So I need to change all the bottles now, and jars, and also I need to clean up the countertop. So I also need to refill the oil there, and so many of you have asked me that how do I keep my kitchen so clean. So every day cleaning and surface cleaning I'll be doing it, but the deep cleaning I do every 2 months or so, like that. uh, but still there are a lot of dirt. It's not that it's always clean. So you can see today what are the cleanup I do. And first I need to just change the spice jars over there, so and make it little bit organized, and so that it's very much reachable. And here there are too many of jars, because these jars are taking a lot of space here. You can see the powder jars, so I got the smaller ones now, which I'm going to replace it. So let's start with the cleaning now. Okay, so these are the inserts I was telling. So you just can place it in the rack, and there is an extra shelf for you. So I'll just clean this part. Okay, so I also ordered for this shelf insert. So these are the smaller jars what I got. I'll fill all the whole garam masala in this. Okay, now I'll prepare the pachforan. So I'll mix. So this is the pachforan here. So these are the other spice jar I got. This is from Amazon, and it has two openings here. This is one side and this is the other side. So I got 12 of them. So I'm using this oil funnel here to fill this. There is a change of plan, so I'm thinking to place my spice jars here and taking off all the spoon and cutleries from here. Okay, so these are the spices now what I have organized. Okay, so here are kasuri methi, soft black mustard, whole jeera and methi. I am short of coriander seeds and coriander powder, so I need to get those. You can see the red chili powder. This is the extra ones which are left. Here is the kali jeera, the nigella seeds, and here is the clove, cinnamon, the yellow mustard, pachforon, black pepper, lychee, and these are the flavoring agent here. This is the biryani essence, the rose water, the cardamom essence, the keora water which is used in biryani. Now in the middle section, if you can see, I have kept masala holder here, base you can say, to support this bottles. So I have kept all these spices, the daily spices, jeera, haldi, red chili. Here I have the chicken, garam masala, kitchen king powder, the black pepper powder, posto or the poppy seeds, then the amchur powder, and these are the empty bottles. Okay, this I need to keep the coriander seeds. So after roasting, I'll make a powder and keep it in this bottles and jars. And here are the ready-made powders. You can see I have the chili flakes here, the cinnamon powder, and here is the piri piri spicy mix. This is what is my spice section. So this is how I have arranged this part now. So you can see there are all the pulses like masoor, moong dal, all I have kept that side. This shelf I have arranged the crockeries this way as of now. So this is the insert which I got from Ikea, and I have arranged the crockeries as of now this way. Hey guys, so today is the next day, and yesterday I was super tired after arranging and organizing all the pantry and the spice jars. So today I'm going to take the kitchen counter. I just need to organize and do a little bit of cleaning here and there. So let's go to the kitchen. So I just finish all cleaning out here. Okay, so now this is the rack which was this way. I just thought of keeping it upside down. So here you can see it got all rusted. So I need to paint it as soon as possible, but not right now. I'll do it somewhere in the weekend. So as of now, I'll just place one cloth over this. So these are all the green tea which I had, and even this detox which I told you in the last video. So I'll just place it here. These are few coffee sachet. We are not Subra and me are not a coffee person, so sometimes we like to have, so I'll just place them here. guys, I will meet you in the next video super soon. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and bye bye.